Once upon a time, there was a group of curious and adventurous children named Lily, Max, and Sophie. They loved exploring and learning about the world around them. One day, they decided to take a trip to learn about planet Earth and all of its amazing animals, vegetation, and landscapes. Their journey began with a visit to a zoo, where they saw many different kinds of animals. They saw lions, tigers, and bears, but they were also excited to see some lesser-known animals, such as the red panda and the snow leopard. As they walked through the zoo, they learned about each animal's habitat and what they eat. The children were amazed by the different types of vegetation they saw in the zoo. They saw towering trees with wide branches, bushes with colorful flowers, and even small gardens with vegetables. They were fascinated to learn about the role that plants play in the ecosystem, providing food and oxygen to the animals. After leaving the zoo, the children decided to take a hike in a nearby forest. They had fun jumping over rocks and streams as they made their way through the trees. Along the way, they spotted all kinds of animals, from tiny insects to big birds. They also saw different types of plants and learned about how they grow and reproduce. As they continued their hike, the children came across a beautiful waterfall. They sat down to rest and enjoy the view, but then they noticed something strange. The water in the waterfall was brown and murky. The children realized that the water was polluted, and they knew that pollution was bad for the environment. The children decided that they needed to learn more about pollution and how to prevent it. They visited a local recycling center to learn about how to recycle and reduce waste. They also learned about different kinds of pollution, such as air pollution and water pollution, and how they can harm animals and plants. With their newfound knowledge, the children decided to make a plan to help the environment. They started by picking up litter around their neighborhood, and then they encouraged their friends and family to do the same. They also started a small garden to grow their own fruits and vegetables, which they learned was a way to reduce the carbon footprint and support biodiversity. Over time, the children continued to learn and explore the world around them. They visited different parts of the planet, from the vast deserts to the deep oceans. They saw different animals and plants and learned about their unique features and habitats. Through their adventures, Lily, Max, and Sophie became passionate about the environment and its protection. They decided that they wanted to make a difference and help preserve the planet for future generations. They knew that everyone could do their part, no matter how small, to make a difference and create a better world. In the end, the children felt proud of their journey and all that they had learned about planet Earth. They felt grateful for the beauty of nature and the many wonders that the world had to offer. And they promised to always do their part to protect and preserve the planet for future generations.